Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I come across this particular stock in a ETF that I was talking about earlier. Sorry, I can't remember which ETF it was. I've done a couple ETFs tonight. I've talked about Tilray, Afria, POTX, CNBS, and another video should be dropping here soon. But got to looking into this cbdMD, ticker YCBD. It's another favorite ticker of mine, along with the CNBS and POTX, if you catch my drift. But anyway, this one looked kind of interesting as well, and it's got kind of a cool website. You can kind of see what it's done here in the last month. This is kind of a slow mover, which is fine. I kind of like these from time to time. Don't know what happened here, but as you can see, I'm using Robinhood here, so you can buy this one on Robinhood. I'm trying to get away from Robinhood. If you're trying to get away from Robinhood, there's links in the description, whether it be Doe, Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade. I have all those links in the description. Feel free to help yourself. You get a free stock on all of those, and that will help out the channel as well to get some free stock. But if you don't know what this one is, it produces and distributes various, we'll just say MJ products. It operates the consumer hemp-based CBD brand. The firm product categories include CBD tinctures, capsules, gummies, bath bombs. That sounds interesting. Topical creams, and animal treats and oils. Very interesting. Animal treats. It also offers pet-related CBD products under the PA CBD brand name and distributes its products through a e-commerce website, which very smart. Everything's going e-commerce, as I'm sure you've all ordered from Amazon, but that is the way of the future. If you want to make it today, you need to be e-commerce and need to be online. So this one hasn't been around too long. It's founded in 2015, kind of a small market cap, we'll just call it 334 million, and so could get on the ground floor here. Kind of small volume. So a lot of these, and I don't remember buying this one or selling it. It doesn't show where I bought it, so that's kind of weird. But if you follow my channel, I covered Organigram in the last week or two. I just bought some in the last week. I've held Aurora for quite some time. Hexo I have, and Afria is probably one of my favorite single plays outside of an ETF. I've done several ETFs tonight. I guess I got into the ETFs because a lot of the MJ stocks had a run up, and if you had Tilray, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then they kind of dropped off on Thursday, and again more on Friday. There was kind of a sell-off. A lot of the I just made a Tilray video earlier in regards to the people on Reddit. They were trying to run it up, and then it could present a buying opportunity. Not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice. You have to do your own due diligence, but just bringing these to your attention and see if we can all make money off of them together, just building our community here. So, but this one I find kind of interesting. It operates a pharmaceutical company. The company offers vape oil capsules, gummies, bath bombs, and companion box. Serves customers in the United States, so kind of interesting. This kind of goes over their first quarter fiscal 2021 results, and as you can see, it's just February 9th here. The nation's leading, most highly trusted and recognized, we'll just say MJ Brands today announced its financial results for its first quarter ended December 31, 2020. and I'm sure the financials and the income will just keep going up on this one, especially where it's e-commerce, and we're getting closer to legalization. That's being worked on. I don't have a date or anything yet, but it could be 2 years, could be less. So I feel within 2 years it should be legalized, if not less. So that's just being optimistic and just watching and following the news and following the trend. That's, I believe, where it's going. So our net sales in the first quarter of fiscal 2021 increased by 22%. So there you have it, year over year, to a record of $12.3 million from $10.1 million from the prior year's quarter. So right there you have it, and that will probably continue to go up. So again, not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, but where you see this one is a $5.10 stock, you can get in pretty cheap. Some of these I just try and, maybe just try 10 shares and just kind of see where it goes. But you don't have to start off and buy 100 or 1,000 shares. Sometimes I just try 10. So there's a lot of YouTubers out there that really pump it up and buy 100 or 1,000 at whack, and then they'll make a video about it and just get a bunch of hits, and that's not me. So if it's something that I've watched and really know the stock, I might do something like that. But this one, where I haven't touched it, you just got to stick in the big toe sometimes, as I say on the channel, or just the tip. So I'm sure you know what I'm talking about there. But moving on. Our gross profit margin for a quarter increased to 72.2% from 63.5% in the prior year's quarter. So again, that's quite a bit of something to be proud of, and growth and everything. And again, it's e-commerce, direct-to-consumer net sales of $9.7 million, an increase of $2.8 million or 41%. So looks like a lot of growth going on with this particular company, so I'm starting to like it the more I look into it. And like I said, you can get in on the ground floor on this one, at the potential, and with legalization, someday it could be a $50 stock for all you know. And I'll just let you pause and go over the rest of the financials there, just for sake of keeping the video short. This is their actual website. Feel the everyday difference CBD MD makes. Get soothing relief in minutes. So it's got topicals. It's got some interesting products. Extraction process ensures the tinctures and cream have the maximum effect. So it's kind of like some of it's probably kind of like a icy hot type of product. This is talking about where I reordered the cream and I love it. Your cream is working wonders for the nerve damage I have from severe trauma. Your products are working the best of anything I have tried for 13 years. That's got to be a different relief. So I'm sharing your information and everybody to know. Thank you for a great product. So you'll find stuff like that. I still do massage therapy. I've done it for quite a while. And when you have somebody in pain and they can find a product that works, especially where you have nerve damage, they're going to buy the you-know-what out of it and talk about it and promote the product. So, and there you can see kind of some of the pictures of the products. The #1 natural remedy. So, I mean, everybody's got back pain, neck pain, joint, feet, hand, right there, muscle soreness, all that. So, this is back to Yahoo Finance. A couple different, there's all kinds of good talk going on about this product. So, I'm kind of glad I found this one in an ETF, and starting to like it. Might pick up some shares on Monday. We'll have to see. But this talks about closing an initial offering. CBD debuts national TV ad campaign during Puppy Bowl. Chewy's been a big stock. I haven't bought in any of that one. Zom, if you follow my channel, Zomedica, ticker ZOM, is a veterinary product. Hoping that's going to explode. So if you're into pets, you want to check out that video. Ticker is Z Zebra O Open M as in Mary. Zomedica. This is just talking about earnings call and all kinds of different things. Back to Reddit. It's kind of became one of my favorite sites here. Going to the moon 9 days ago. Penny stock. Looking ready to soar. This is just a day ago, so there's a lot of people talking about it. So feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. I'm not going to go over all of the comments, but you can pull it up on Reddit as well. This is Stock Twits. This is kind of another favorite resource that I've started going to in regards to the if you followed the GameStop, the Bed Bath & Beyond, BlackBerry, and so on. I've kind of went to these two sources, and you can find out a lot of different things, see what people are talking about. Products definitely help me sleep better, so there you go. Once word gets out, and it'll just keep increasing sales, and there's a lot of people bullish on it. Bumble, I just did a video on Bumble. That's a dating website. Of course, everybody's heard of Tesla. Took a position on Friday after some DD, American owned, not Canada. Their financials were released February 9th and was great. I was able to take a nice position at the bottom Friday under $5. I believe international expansion will be next. Yeah, it's a funny name, but I've covered this XXII before. It's kind of an interesting product. I believe that's some type of a nicotine or cigarettes where they don't put as much nicotine in it, so it's kind of an interesting one. Tilray just did a video about earlier, but there's quite a bit of talk about this one. If you're into solar, check out Run. It's an awesome one. It's been one of my favorite solar stocks. And gummies and just all kinds of different products. So and this is back to tip ranks. It's just showing a hold. It's at 496. It's already surpassed what they're projecting. They don't really have too many ratings on this, probably because it's in the MJ field, so they never really give too many ratings. But that is it about YCBD. I might try picking up some shares, and this is where that person must have picked up some shares on. Well, actually, would be on Friday, so it must have been in here. So, yeah, if you could get this one under $5, I might pull the trigger on it on, well, actually, Tuesday. Monday is President's Day, so markets are closed. But if you're looking to get off of Robinhood, I have several links in the description. Help yourself. And if you haven't hit that like button yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that. That really helps out the channel, as well as subscribing, and hit that bell notification so you're notified of when the next ones drop. And if you have any of this stock, go ahead and leave that in the comments, your cost basis and shares. And if you have any other ideas, MJ or anything else related, kind of diversified on my channel, solar, EVs, MJ, so I kind of cover it all and like to diversify. So again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.